my name is Nur Khairi Marina binti ZULHILMI. I'm from SK Kompen 1 Batuat. Today I'm going to sing a song called Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chick, E-I-E-I-O. With a chip, chip here, with a chip, chip there. Here chip, there chip, everywhere chip, chip. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here, with a moo moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here, with a quack, quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here, with a oink oink there. Here oink, there oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here, with a woof woof there. Here woof, there woof, everywhere woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Woof here, with a woof woof there. Here, E-I-O. Thank you.